In this video, I will introduce some things about Python. They are introduction, design, development history, and characteristic. Part 1. Introduction. Python is a high-level scripting language that combines interpretation, compilation, interactivity, and object-oriented. Part 2. Design. Python is an interpreted language. Python is an interactive language. Python is an object-oriented language. And Python is a language for beginner. Part 3. Development history. Python was designed by Guido van Rossum at the National Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands in the late 1980s and early 1990s. Python itself is also developed by many other languages, including ABC, Modula 3, C, Algol 68, Smalltalk, Unix Shell and other scripting languages, etc. Like the Perl language, the Python source code also follows the GPL GNU General Public License Agreement. Python is now maintained by a core development team, and Guido van Rossum still plays a vital role in guiding its progress. Part 4. Characteristic. Python is easy to learn, easy to read, and easy to maintain. Python is an extensive standard library, an interactive mode, and Python has portability. That's all, thank you.